God. Ang ganda ng view dito. Ayan, mataas na hagdanan. Ayan. Napalibutan ng kahoy. At maraming ibon. May basketball court, may tennis, may exercise. Ang tawag dyan. At aakit na naman ako sa hagdan ng paglaom. Hello, Anna. We're going home. Where is Anna? 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 Ibon. Let's fly. Oh, there's the dog. The dog is coming. Okay.